Are you looking for the best drone for aerial photography, cinematic videos, travel, or simply having fun? Today's camera drones offer impressive features like 4K video, high-resolution photography, AI-assisted flight, obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, long flight times, and professional stabilization. But with so many options available, choosing the right drone can be difficult. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026. We'll look at the features, performance, pros, cons, and overall value of each drone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus Drone. This is a feature-packed camera drone designed for adults, beginners, and aerial photography enthusiasts. One of its biggest highlights is the upgraded 48-megapixel camera, capable of capturing up to 8K photos. The drone also supports 4K video recording and uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to help produce smoother and more stable footage. Its GPS-assisted flight system helps improve stability and makes the drone easier to control. Its foldable design also makes it convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. The upgraded Plus model focuses heavily on improving camera quality and transmission performance compared with the previous version, making it an attractive option for users who want high-resolution aerial photography. Pros: 48-megapixel camera for high-resolution photography, up to 8K photo capability, 4K video recording, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS-assisted flight, stable and beginner-friendly controls. Overall, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus is an excellent choice for users who want a strong combination of camera quality, flight stability, and beginner-friendly features. Number 2. DCX Volo X EZ AI Drone. This drone is designed with beginner-friendly flying in mind. It features a 4K camera and AI-assisted flight control, helping make aerial photography and drone operation more accessible. One of its most interesting features is 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which can help improve flight confidence by detecting obstacles around the drone. This makes it particularly appealing to beginners who may feel nervous about flying around trees, buildings, and other obstacles. The combination of AI-assisted flight controls and obstacle avoidance makes the DCX Volo X EZ an interesting option for users looking for advanced assistance while flying. Pros: 4K camera, AI-assisted flight control, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, beginner-friendly design, suitable for adult users. If you're a beginner looking for additional flight assistance and obstacle awareness, the DCX Volo X EZ is worth considering. Number 3. Bwine F7 Mini. This compact camera drone is designed for users who want portability without completely sacrificing camera features. It offers 8K photo capability and includes a 5.5-inch 1080p RC screen, which can provide a more convenient flying experience compared with relying entirely on a smartphone. The integrated display can make it easier to monitor the live camera feed and flight information while flying. The Bwine F7 Mini is a great option for travelers and beginners who want a more compact drone that is easier to carry. Bwine's F7 lineup emphasizes compact camera drone design while offering features aimed at beginner and hobbyist aerial photography. Pros: up to 8K photo capability, compact and portable design, built-in 5.5-inch 1080p RC screen, convenient live view experience, suitable for travel and outdoor use, good option for beginner pilots. The Bwine F7 Mini is a solid choice for users who prioritize portability and want a convenient remote controller with an integrated screen. Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro 2. This drone is equipped with a camera that can capture up to 6K photos and record 4K video at 30 frames per second. One of its standout features is the combination of high-resolution imaging and stable video performance. The drone is designed for users who want better aerial footage without moving into the extremely expensive professional drone category. GPS-assisted features and beginner-friendly flight controls can also make it easier for new pilots to learn how to fly. The F11 Pro 2 has been recognized for its solid build quality and smooth 4K video performance, while its 3-axis stabilization system is one of its key advantages for aerial footage. Pros: up to 6K photo capability, 4K video at 30 frames per second, stable aerial video performance, beginner-friendly operation, GPS-assisted flight features. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a great all-around option for users who want solid camera performance and stable flight without paying for a premium professional drone. Number 5. Bwine F7 Gym. This drone is designed for users who want smoother and more professional-looking aerial footage. It features 4K video recording, 6K photo capability, and a 3-axis GIM. The 3-axis GIM is particularly important because it helps stabilize the camera during flight, reducing unwanted shaking and helping create smoother cinematic footage. The F7 GIM also combines camera features with GPS-assisted smart flight controls, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced drone users. Bwine lists the F7 GIM as a camera drone featuring a 6K UHD camera, 3-axis brushless GIM, GPS smart controls, and extended flight capability. Pros: 4K video recording, up to 6K photo capability, 3-axis mechanical GIM, GPS-assisted smart flight features, smooth and stable video footage, suitable for aerial photography. The F7 GIM is a solid choice for users who want stabilized aerial footage and more creative control for photography and video. So which drone should you choose? If you want the best combination of high-resolution photography, stable 4K video, and advanced camera features, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus is an excellent choice. If you're a beginner who wants AI-assisted flight control and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, the DCX Volo X EZ could be the right option. For users who prioritize portability and a remote controller with an integrated screen, the Bwine F7 Mini is worth considering. If you want a balanced drone with 6K photography and 4K video, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 offers excellent all-around performance. And if smooth cinematic footage is your priority, the Bwine F7 GIM with its 3-axis GIM is a great option. Thanks for watching.